Today, Thursday, bit of a crazy day today. Um, so yeah, what did we do today? You see in the title already, I full boarded today after taking 2 losses earlier. Here are the shorts right there. Now I think that we probably gonna take down this high, smooth highs right here. So yeah, I went short with 2 minis right here on a 50k Finnet account on Apex. It was a bit of a gamble, and not like a gamble is what I think is gonna happen, but you need a bit of luck with this. I had 2 days left, or 1 day left on my Finnet, and I was in drawdown, so I needed to risk a lot to stand even, break even. So we full boarded right there. We also took losses right there, so we can quickly gonna explain those losses, what happened, and so we opened right here. I was looking for buy side. I was looking for this little highs right here, and this 1 hour CB right here. You look at the left right here on the chart, you see this gap right here, and you see the two for newly opening gaps. So for me, to open, what I wanted to see is can we open up, take down this high, this low, and go up like this towards here. What we did is we just opened up and went even lower towards a higher quadrant on another week of 17th September and a old busy. I think it was old busy. It was old busy right here with this higher quadrant wick, and from there we went higher. I wasn't really um I was really willing to to go long right there. After the fact, I think this is a beautiful, beautiful long right here. Also in the macro, it's a beautiful in the first percent of 1 week, 1 week ago. It was a perfect long, but I'm not gonna be that mad about it. But yeah, I needed to push today, so I should have pushed it. So with that in mind, we went over to lunch. So I saw that we on the 5 minute right here. We're accumulating right there. That's the high right here of the daily busy. Like a S&T right here. And here I wanted to long right here, but I didn't have the courage right here to do it. We took down this highs, and that's why I didn't do it, which is fine. So I think I went eating or I did something else. And I came back on the market and we were around here. I think around here we were. So I came back, I saw a 5 minute PPR right here is balanced, and I wanted to see is can we go higher because we have this buy side right here, this trend line liquidity, like Vito thinks is going lower. We have this RTH not filled. We have this good equal highs right there on the local trading hours. So that's where, like, with that in mind, I went long. I haven't looked at Dixie. I haven't looked at YM. Yes, I barely looked. I just went long on this gap on this order block and went long. I got stalled right there. It went into consolidation, and when I was still looking for longs, so we went lower. Took this lows right here. Went into the first percentage of today, and I longed. I think on the I know on the inversion here. I longed right there. We stopped here. We couldn't get through this right here when we went lower. So in this moment, I lost money. I should make money today because I'm already in drawdown and my Finite is gonna end. So in that moment, I thought let's just risk a lot and put in some final trade today, a full port. So right here, I saw okay, I'm wrong. I was simply wrong on it going higher. So this is the first presented, and here you have the daily busy low. So we went below that. But now I'm thinking, okay, I'm waiting. So we traded down into the daily busy low, kept trading into it, and then went lower. I had this newly opening gaps marked, and when it touched it again, I took a short right there and I took a short right here. So over on the newly opening gap right here, and I just shorted and keep trading my stop, and eventually got stopped out right here. I could have gone out right here. If you look at the S, the low is perfect right here on a daily BCCE plus the low quadrant on the wick. So it could have been better, but you know, I think it's more like, let's call it, you need a bit of luck with this full port. Always with a full port, you need a bit of luck, cause yeah, you could get stopped out and then you have to buy a new furnace. But that was okay, but so I already accepted that, and yeah, we made some money. We now not a lot of money, but we back in. I think we have 1500 of drawdown left by now, so I'm gonna risk a bit less today or tomorrow. And yeah, I got stopped out right here, and then went just higher and higher and higher. I was done here. I'm not gonna go do anything right now. I'm just done. We went into this first percent of today. We were having like a bit of the same as here, where we just kinda uh, stalled a bit and then went. We just filled this high. I think we're still gonna take it right here. The last macro is gonna be there as well. So yeah, today's a bit of luck. It was a bit of emotions also. Yeah, and I think I have a bit of luck then. But yeah, sometimes you need luck. Today I got it. Tomorrow new day. We're gonna risk less. We're gonna be good on the chart. Have a great plan and just not sell two minis and just sell two micros. So yeah, that was it for today. I think tomorrow I will be there if I trade, of course. What I think is gonna happen tomorrow, if I have to look at the daily, depends a little bit how we close. If the last hour is gonna go a bit lower than and close below here, then I don't know where we're going. And if we stay here, I would still say we look for higher prices, but I'm not as confident as I was right here in buying. So I have to see what Asia and London are gonna do for me to have a clear plan. But uh, I would say I'm looking for higher prices. And if I'm wrong, then I look for simply this sell side right here, that wick CE right here, and it's the last day of the week, so need to be careful there on Friday. So that will be it for today, and then till tomorrow.